GlamFam, it's your girl Angela Denise, and I am here with you today with a fall makeup look. And today we're going to be talking about one of the palettes that I featured in my top 10 palettes perfect for fall season. That is the Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm coupling that with the Bronze Temptation palette from holiday last year. Just in case you missed my video last week, here is what the Melt Smoke Sessions palette looks like. So I incorporated a few of these colors in my eyeshadow look for today. And I'm also using a few other products that I've either picked up recently or that I really, really love. So if you are interested in how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right into the complexion. It's not going to be the main focus for today, but I really do want a perfected look for the skin. So I've already used the Smashbox Primerizer for my primer, my all over primer. And then I'm going to go in with my Cover FX gripping primer. But I'm only going to put that in certain areas. Okay. So face is primed. I'm going to go in and do some color correcting. I really have been using the Stay Naked concealer a lot in the shade 80W0. I'm sorry, in the shade 80WO. And it's like a red undertone. So I really think that it's good to correct with. And I only use it around my mouth. And I might use it here on this side to cover up some discolorations there. Okay. And that's pretty much all the product that I'll use to correct with. And then I'll go in with my It Cosmetics dual-ended brush. This is the number 7. And I'm using a patting motion because I want to make sure that the concealer stays in place. And that is all the correcting that I'm going to do. Yeah. So today I'm going to be using an OG on YouTube that I really don't have a lot of experience with. This is the Estee Lauder Doublewear Foundation. This is the shade 5 in 1.5. This is one of their newer shades that they came out with a few months back. And I've been having my eye on it, so I decided to pick it up during the Sephora sale. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and apply it to my face from there. I'm just going to take a brush, apply it to my face. And to be honest, I'm not sure about the color, but we'll just wait and see what it looks like when you blend it out. Let me go ahead and spray my face with a little bit of Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And then I'll blend. As per usual, I'll go in with a damp beauty sponge afterwards. And this is the Sonia Kashuk sponge that comes in the multi-pack. Okay, so let's go in with some concealer. And today I'm going to be using an old favorite that is, if I can find it, my La Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the shade 5N first, because I don't want my under eyes to be too bright for this look. And then I'll go in with my highlighting shade. This is 4N. And I do know that they came out with some new shades like 2 months ago. And I need to pick up the shade. I think it's 4W. Now I'm going to go in with the powder that I've been testing out, and that is the By Terry Hyaluronic Tinted Hydrapowder. These came out last month, and I'm just going to go in with my sponge. So the face is set, or the under eyes are set. I'm going to go in and set my face with my Chanel loose powder in the shade 40. You guys know the drill. This has become my go-to setting powder all over the face. And it had to be something really spectacular to come out to change that. So now I'm just going to go in and dust off the excess powder. Now I'll go in with a little bit of bronzer, and today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. You guys know what this is. So I'm going to go in with some of my Chanel loose powder. This one is in the shade 30 Natural. This is the one that I use under my eyes when I want to bake. So I really love the texture of this one. It's just flawless. So I'm going to just go in and put a nice amount to catch the fallout. I'm going to be using two different palettes. I'm going to be using the Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm going to be using the Mothership Bronze Temptation holiday palette from last year. This is probably one of the prettiest browns that I have in my collection. Taking the same brush, the MAC 224, I'm going to go in to the deep brown color in this palette. Now I'll dive into my Smoke Sessions palette, and I'm going to pick up the color Sour Diesel. going in with a flat shader brush, I'm going to pick up the color Black Widow. Because that shade has a lot of fallout, I'm going to take some of my Inglot Duraline. I'm going to pat that on the lid. It's just like a clear liquidy substance like this. You can see it. I'm going to take that. And I'm literally just going to pat it on the lid. Then I'm going to go back to my eyeshadow, and let's hope that this adheres. This is glitter. Okay. Going back in the crease as I did the other eye. Now, I feel like I need a tiny brush. Now I'm going to go in and pick up Granddaddy. And so for Granddaddy, I want to use it on the inner portion of the eye. All right, going back with that fluffy brush, we're blending. Okay, for my liner, for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with this Essence Beauty liner in Nighttime in the Jungle, and it's a super, super, super dark green color. I'm gonna pop that in the waterline. I'm going to pop that in there and then take a really small pencil brush and then go back into Sour Diesel, and I'm going to blend. All right, I'm going to repeat the same thing on this eye, and I'll be right back. For my blush today, I'm going to go in with the, what is this? The Milani Rose d'Oro Baked Blush. I just want a very small amount of blush today, because we're going to have a bold lip and then so much going on everywhere else on the eye. All right, quick rundown. I had to go do a wardrobe change, of course, and I put on my lashes, and today it's going to be the Allure Luxe Silk Marquise. I have used these on my channel before in the affordable makeup tutorial that I did probably back in February or March, I used these. These are the bomb. These are a 3-pack. I did get them from Ulta. So that's that. And also, excuse me while I kind of, you know, lay my edges a little bit. So yeah, let's go into the lip. Today, I'm really excited about this lip. This is my first lipstick from Limecrime, and it's in the color Wicked. Okay, fam, this is the finished look for today. I hope that you guys like it. I'm really feeling the green eyes that I came up with today, and this Limecrime liquid lip is perfection. It feels really comfortable on the lips. It's not quite dried down yet, so I'm waiting to see what the final color. I do feel like whenever you apply more than one coat, the color will deepen. So keep that in mind. But yeah, I overall like the look that I came up with today. You guys chime in down in the comment section. And until the next time, I'll see you later.